Hey there, folks. Today we're talking about a soothing witch hazel liniment recipe for spider veins and varicose veins. Ease the discomfort of varicose veins with this light and refreshing witch hazel liniment. With regular use, it may also help reduce swelling and improve the appearance of varicose veins. With consistent use, this soothing liniment can help keep your legs feeling and looking their best. The recipe makes about 50 treatments. What you'll need is 1 cup of alcohol, at least 40%, and 1 cup of alcohol-free witch hazel hydrosol. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Mix the ingredients. Pour the alcohol and witch hazel into a dark-colored glass bottle with a narrow neck. Seal the bottle, then label and date it. Step 2. How to use. Shake the bottle well before each use. Soak a cotton pad with the liniment and apply it generously to the affected areas twice a day. Once the liniment dries, follow up with your favorite lotion to keep your skin soft. Step 3. Storage. Keep the bottle in a cool, dark place. Properly stored, this liniment can last indefinitely. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures. Natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, we'll show you the way to live life better day by day.